Welcome back, everyone. This is Mike Rips. Happy 2025 to you. Today we got the new spicy chicken Italian from Jersey Mike's. It's a hot sub. It has their new chicken breast, layer of provolone cheese, pepperoni, and the hot pepper relish. I also added the chipotle mayo to it. It's still quite hot. It's heavy, very heavy, so there's a lot of meat on it. The chicken is very good, actually, for processed chicken, whatever you want to call it, like a grilled chicken strip kind of thing. The hot pepper relish is king at Jersey Mike's, which is my 2024 restaurant of the year. Spoiler. The pepperoni is spicy, so that kind of adds into the whole thing. I am definitely going to go like an 8.4 out of 10 on this. Jersey Mike's just delivers every friggin' time. So if you would do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what your favorite Jersey Mike's sub is. I'll have another video from Jersey Mike's coming up in a couple days. And don't forget, rock chalk.